Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down, click on Passwords and Security, choose Face over here and enter your current login method. When you're ready, select Continue and remember to keep your face in frame. Then select Done. And now you can adjust all of those Face Unlock settings however you wish to by tapping on the proper switchers. Then choose Home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Oppo. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!